If you're coming to Kona, Hawaii by cruise ship, this video could be helpful to you. This is the port drop-off area. There's an ABC store, and if anyone rented a car on Turo, you can request a drop-off at King Kamehameha Courtyard Hotel. Kona is a tender port, but the ship uses its own lifeboats. The ABC stores are a very popular place in the Hawaiian Islands. It's always a good idea to take a look around to see if you can find something for yourself or a gift for someone else. Right next to the ABC store is the King Kamehameha Courtyard Hotel. Right across the street, you can rent a kayak, a paddleboard, or snorkel equipment. You can also book tours here. If you don't want to go far and rented some equipment, you can enter at the beach that you pass when you get off the tender. It's a beautiful area. Now we will go on a walking tour south on Ali'i Drive. To the left side of the street, there are some different restaurants and some shops. This is Hula Hei Palace. There is a fee to enter, and I will put a link in the description box below so you can decide if that's a place of interest for you. As we continue walking, we will get to the Kona Inn shopping village. It starts out with some shops on the left. You will also run into about 4 or 5 ABC stores. Each one carries something a little different. I'll put a directory link in the description box below to see if it's worth your time here. I do like this store called Donkey Balls. They have different chocolate covered mac nuts and coffee. I'll speed up the walkthrough of Kona Village. At the end of Kona Village is another place that sells tours. As we keep walking down the street, we'll get to more shops and restaurants. Wednesdays through Sundays, they have a farmer's market in this parking lot. Today is a Monday. If you want to bike around Kona, they have these bikes for you to rent. This area has a couple more shops and some restaurants. This is also one of many areas that you can book the body glove. That's the catamaran that you see in the beginning of this video. As we continue down, there will be some more small shops, restaurants, and our favorite shaved ice place. This is Ali'i Sunset Plaza, some small shops and restaurants. We enjoy coming to Lava Java for breakfast. If you like papaya, you should get papaya with granola. If you want really good shaved ice, turn left at the beach volleyball. Gecko girls, shaved ice. We each got Kona Sunset, but you could definitely share with 2 people. I'm going to show some points of interest that you might enjoy during your time in Kona. I will put links to all these places in the description box below. We will start with places to the south of Kona. First up, we have Magic Sands Beach, which is about 3 miles from downtown Kona. It might not look like a beach, but the interesting thing about this place is when the waves are big, it actually removes all the sand. And when the waves calm down, it slowly brings the sand back in. This is winter, which generally has more swell, so that's why there is no sand. The beach is very nice when it has sand, but it can get very, very crowded. It's a good place to boogie board and body surf. There is also a big parking lot right across the street. Next, we have Kahalu'u Beach Park. This is about 5 miles from downtown. Also, one of the most popular snorkeling spots. There are so many different species and schools of fish you can see here, and occasionally you can spot a turtle. On the opposite side of the snorkel area, there's this very tiny gray sand beach. It's also a very popular spot to surf or learn how to surf. Right across the street from where the surfers enter the water, you can rent a surfboard, sign up for a lesson, or rent snorkel gear. I highly recommend this spot for both snorkeling and surfing. If the swell is up, End of the World is a fantastic spot to watch the waves crash against the lava rocks. Are you up for a real adventure? About an hour-and-a-half drive from Kona, passing South Point, known as the most southern point of the United States. Key West is the most southern point of the continental United States. And a 2.8-mile hike, you will arrive at Papakolea Beach, one of just 4 green sand beaches in the world. We have been there 2 times, and both times you can pay for a ride, but we decided to hike. You have to hike down to get to the beach, and when you get there, the beach is an olive green. The hike can be very windy, but the beach is protected. Just don't wear flip-flops like we did. As we talked about a few places to the south, let's talk about a couple places to the north. If you want the whitest sand beach in Kona, you're going to want to make the 40-minute drive north to Hapuna Beach. "30 minutes past the beach, you have Kohala Zip Line. Located in the most northern part of the island in a small town called Hawaii. It's very interesting as you get away from all the lava rocks and up into the trees. There was a group of 5 of us and we really had a good time. Just be aware that it can be cooler than you expect. Hawaiian sunsets are beautiful, and if there's no clouds on the bottom, look for a green flash at the very last second. We hope that you got some value out of this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.